This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, October 29, 2019. This one here I gotta go do a service on a gas boiler. I believe I might have installed this thing back in the day. I don't know, maybe 04, 05, something like that. Call me for service on it, check it out, make sure it's okay. I'll go by there, brush the burners down, make sure it's firing up properly, and I'll do a combustion test on it, make sure it's safe to run, type of thing. So try to get you some shots when I get there. Miss Molly's going to the groomers today to get her paws trimmed. She got the Grinch feet happening. She gets the Grinch feet. She's gonna go for a trim. Alright, so we got zone valves here. Got a boiler she wants serviced. Check the combustion. I got my analyzer there. Looks like it was installed in 05. And we got boiler pressure, which was good. We'll open it up and check the burners. There's one screw in the middle there to take out. Make sure them burners are clean. This just lifts up and out. Yeah, I'll give them a quick brush down. They don't look bad. My little brush in my kit here, I just keep it right in there. If there's any dirt on the burners, so you gotta watch out. No, that's electronic sparker. I think yeah, it's electronic spark on that. It's not pilot. That should be fine. We'll start it up, we'll check the combustion on it, make sure that's okay. supposed to do each cell. Well, it's all wide open in there. Basically concerned about the carbon monoxide levels. You can adjust it with the gas valve up or down. Alright, so you see our ppms are at 33, that's good. 7, if we give it more gas, that 7 will come down a little bit, but that's still within range. That's safe to operate. You all groomed? Let me see your little paws. You even trimmed your long hair on your ears. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you're looking very stylish. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Huh? Look, I did a good job on you. Get you a little bath and everything. You're all clean, smelling good. You're all clean and smelling good.